ऐसे जो ऑल्टर्ड फाइल्स होते हैं इनके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल.
Images are composed of pixels. Pixels are tiny RGB colored units. When an image is altered, pixel properties changes and can be detected using softwares like Forensically, which is used to analyze image and detect manipulation using techniques like error level analysis, clone detection, noise analysis, and level sweep. Besides that, hash value and metadata are compared using softwares like hashcalc and mediainfo. Not only images, but also audios can be manipulated. Audio forensic analysis includes transcription, where the conversation is written with timestamps for court use. Speaker identification is done using software like Audacity and Goldwave by analyzing formants, which are unique sound frequency of a person's voice. Electronic evidence comes under Section 63 of BSA, which was earlier Section 65B of IEA. A Section 63 certificate is a written document that certifies electronic evidence is genuine and properly extracted from a digital device. Without this certificate, digital evidence is not valid in court.